Hello and welcome back. For this example, we want to find the derivative of the function x raised to the x power. And you might be thinking power rule, you might be thinking exponential rule, but neither one of those will apply because the base and the exponents are not constants. They're both varying. So what we have to do instead is use implicit differentiation. First step of the process is to let y replace x to the x power. We can then take the logarithm of both sides. So we're going to have the natural log of y is equal to the natural log of x raised to the x power. It may look like we made matters worse, but instead, because we have the logarithm, we can use the power rule for logarithms and take that exponent and bring it down out front and turn it into a product. So we're going to get the natural log of y is equal to x times the natural log of x. And this is now a very simple derivative for us to study. Remember that y is a function of x, so therefore when we find the derivative, we have to obey the chain rule. So the derivative of natural log is normally just 1 over x, so this is going to be 1 over y times the derivative of the inside, which is y prime. On the other side of this, we have to look at using the product rule because we have the product of two functions of x. So the derivative of the first, it's 1 times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second, which again is 1 over x. This simplifies down to 1 over y times y prime is equal to the natural log of x plus 1. And now we can solve for y prime by multiplying both sides by y. And in doing so, we're going to get y prime by itself is the natural log of x plus 1 times y. We cannot keep our answer in this form here because we're the ones that came up with y. It was not part of the original posed problem. So we need to use the fact that y is equal to x to the x power and make that replacement here at the end of the problem. So y prime, when it's all said and done, is going to be the natural log of x plus 1 times an x to the x power. And remember, the y was our invention, so this is really saying that the derivative of x raised to the x power has the formula the natural log of x plus 1 times x raised to the x power. And that is the derivative of the function x raised to the x power.